In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to default your camera off in Microsoft Teams. If you prefer to join meetings with your camera off by default, instead of having to switch it off every single time, this quick setup will really help. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along, and you can pause the video at any point if you need to. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small menu icon represented by 3 dots, often called More Options. This is where many of your account and app settings are stored. Click on those 3 dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes several options related to your account, notifications, and how the app behaves. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel, usually in the middle of the screen or on the side, depending on which version of Teams you are using. Inside the settings area, you will see a list of different sections on the left-hand side, such as General, Notifications, and so on. What we're interested in for controlling the camera is the section called Devices. This is where Teams manages your audio and video hardware, like your microphone, speakers, and camera. Click on Devices. When you select it, you'll see options related to the devices Teams uses during calls and meetings. Here, you'll be able to review which camera is selected, how it behaves, and, in many versions, how Teams handles your default video state when joining meetings. Once you are on the Devices page, take a moment to look over the available camera settings so you understand how your video will behave. If there is an option that controls whether your video is automatically switched on when joining a meeting or call, make sure it is set so that your camera does not turn on by default. This way, every time you join a meeting, your camera will stay off unless you manually enable it. When you're happy with the settings, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, so the next time you join a Teams meeting, your